Hello and welcome to Zach's paper plane making class. Today I'll be showing you how to make a plane called the Seagull. Now you will see why this plane is called the Seagull at the end, as it looks similar to a seagull. Okay, so first of all we need to get a A4 piece of paper and fold it, leaving approximately 2 inches, which is about 3 finger widths length up to here. So what we're going to do is fold the paper into half, not exactly half, but we'll fold it just up to this point over here. Okay, so again, from the edge, if you make a marking, just 3 finger widths there, and then fold the edge of the paper up to here as so. Okay, and then you can just make a nice crease there. And next what we're going to do is bring the corners into the center over here as so. So just like that, and then make a nice crease along that side, and then get this corner and bring it to the center here and make a nice crease there. So you have something that looks a bit like this. Okay, now this bit is slightly tricky, so follow carefully. What we're going to do is bring this piece of paper, which is there, on top of these folds. Okay, so we're going to fold it outwards again, lift this piece of paper up, bring these 2 sides in again along the folds that we have just made, as so. Okay, so that was the original fold that we did there, and then the same on the other side. Okay, so we're going to bring these 2 into the middle, as so, and then we have something that looks like this. So this bit has now come on top of the 2 folds. So as you can see, this is what's happened. Okay, so let's show you that bit again. So this is where we were with these 2 sides folded like that, and this bit, which is underneath here, we now want to lift this on top. Okay, so what we're going to do is we can just lift outwards there as so, and then we're going to pull this section up. Okay, and then the 2 sides we're going to bring them in together again. Okay, and now that bit that was actually underneath here has now lifted to the top like so. Okay, so it will look something like this there. Okay, next what we want to do is the top bit grab onto just like that, and using the second layer, so you have the first layer which is this one now, and then you have the second layer which is this one here. So using the second layer, we want to now fold this in. Okay, so we're going to start the fold at the tip over there, and we want the imaginary line to come just to the corners over here. So I'll mark this out for you. So we want the top to start here where the tip is, and then the next line is along here. Okay, so we want the fold to be from here all along to the end over here at the corner there. So we're going to fold this in just like that. So again, this is the second layer. So we have the first layer and we have the second layer, and the second layer we want to fold from there to there along this crease here. So we're going to fold that in just like that, and then we can put the top layer over it again. So I'll show you on the opposite side. So take the top layer away for the time being. Okay, and then we're going to start the fold from the tip over here. We're going to follow the crease, sort of make a crease along this this sort of plane here to end at this corner right over there. So if we fold it, again the fold starts there and it ends there. It'll look something like this. Okay, so we can put that fold flat back over again. Next, what we'll do is we're going to fold the top corner backwards like this along this plane over here. Okay, so imagine a line going along here, and we're going to fold the top entirely back like this. Okay. So once we fold it, we then want to lift this big bit up again, just to make it look something like this. Okay. So again, from this moment, we're going to fold along this imaginary line here. Okay. So that would be a fold like this. So leaving approximately, again, 3 finger widths of the first flap. Okay. So we're going to fold that over, and then once it's folded over, we then want to fold it back on itself again. So it will look something like this, a small little triangle that sticks out. Okay, so there we go. One more time, we're going to fold this over just like this, the entire top point, leaving about 3 fingers width of the first flap, and then we're going to refold this back up to give us a pointy little square just as so. Okay, so we're going to have something that looks a bit like this. Now what we want to do is give this a full fold in the middle, just like that. Okay, and then using your fingers, pinch along the bottom there. And this is the main body of your paper plane. Now we want to make the wings. So for the wings, we want to leave approximately 1 finger width on the bottom there, and then fold it along a straight line here, downwards, as so. And then we're going to repeat the same on the opposite side. So fold it down there. Okay, and then using one of your fingers, you want to gently just iron this section out. Okay, and there you have it. Your paper plane Seagull. Something a bit like this. This plane flies really well. It's a good spinner. So a lot of time it will fly straight and then it will start spinning around like this. Okay? Thank you for watching, and I hope you've enjoyed that.